Good evening, everybody. This is Bob Icino along with Mike Arnold from Path Trading Partners. It is August 8th. This is an evening update covering IOTA. We haven't done an IOTA update since last night, and there was some movement, so we wanted to show you what we've been seeing on the charts. Having said that, let me turn it over to Mike to show you what he is seeing on the IOTA charts. Mike, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Bob. IOTA US dollar update. So when we talked to you last, we were waiting for the pullback. We got a pullback into the rotation zone. We had mapped out a couple targets, this 50.18 and 51.37 you see here. Pulled back to the rotation zone, dipped down, moved back up. This could have been triggered on a shorter term chart. This is a 4-hour chart or 240-minute chart. So you'd have to use a shorter term chart to trigger it, like an hour chart or something. You could have drawn a trend line down here. Got on that, jumped on that, went through the targets from earlier. Our first target was hit. Our second target was also hit. Then I extended the GAN projections. Guys, we have over 50 years in Path Trading Partners trading experience between futures, stocks, options, floor and off-floor trading, and we're taking all the knowledge and applying it to these cryptos now. We found that these GAN levels in these 12.5% harmonics hold up really, really well. That's why we favor them versus fib levels. And so they're projected up here. So we now have a GAN projection from this low to this high with some key levels. So yeah, we got the cluster right in here, 51.37 to 51.50. Then we have another little cluster, 53.75 to 54.10. And look, right to the high drop off. So far to the high dropping off. Where are we watching for the next key levels? Well, here they are. On a continued push higher, we're looking for 54.93 to 55.40. Then an eventual full target for this whole trade, which is also a trend line trade, 56.125. Full target, and it also corresponds with a key GAN projection from this level. So that's going to be a very powerful level. Probably an ultimate level that will look to take a lot more off before expecting another pullback. Just wanted to give you guys some instruction on how you can start applying some of these harmonic levels, coming up with targets. And targets, I'm going to reiterate this, they don't always mean you have to take a profit. We might move up a stop loss at some of these levels. They don't mean we're always taking some off. It's, hey, we're looking for the key clusters, and then that's the real area we're looking to take some profits. Meanwhile, at these other minor targets, we're looking to raise our stop. Should we have a sharp reversal, we're going to want to get out of the trades, not necessarily our investments, but our short-term trades, and then give it the space to pull back so we can really keep our powder dry, put it on at our very key levels for the next major run higher. Let me switch over to the daily really fast for you. All right, here's the daily. You can see the targets up here that we have left to hit. We're really getting extended now from the rotation zone on the daily chart. So at some point, we are expecting a bigger pullback, deeper than these shallow rotations we've been seeing. Can't predict when that's going to happen. We've now gone how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars straight up. This can continue a lot longer than we think. We're just going to start judging the price action. If we do start breaking below the rotation zone on the 4 hours, we're going to start looking for a pullback. Until there, again, next major targets is 56.10, 55.125, then to 56.10, and then the full target we're expecting this to get up to at some point right around the 0.63 level, but it may require some pullbacks, some longer term moves. Just to point something else out, let me move down this target. We also now have some very decent support coming back in at this 50.52 level. So on a deeper pullback, here's the first key level you'll be watching for. And then if that is broken, we could trade down to our significant level around the 44.76. But we'll update you with some more videos once we start seeing a pullback. That's all we have for you with this update for IOTA US dollar. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks for that, Mike. Thank you guys for watching. Check out our 5 evergreen videos. If you've been watching these videos tonight or any other night, you might be a little confused by some of the terms that Mike uses when he does the analysis. These are terms from our own proprietary method of price action trading. A lot of the terms are ours and ours alone, but you can find out what they are by checking out the free videos we have on YouTube called EMA, SMA, that's exponential moving average, simple moving average, and then more importantly, the 3 trend line modules, again, free on our YouTube site, trend lines 1, 2, and 3. That'll give you sort of a base understanding of foundation so you could follow along with Mike a little bit better. Please hit like and subscribe if you like what we're doing, and leave us a comment, or you can reach out to us at support@pathtradingpartners.com. Cheers, guys. Talk to you in the next Path Chat.